Hello guys, how are you? I am a hex trader. Now today we talk about market structure. What is this? And market structure, how to work in the market, forex market. So let's see the breakout of market and we follow the imbalance and order block. We, you can see I order block is specific type of area. You can see low time frame 50-minute imbalance. So this is higher and low time frame. First we go to daily and then 4 hour time frame, and now we 1 hour time frame. So here breakout you can see, um, yeah, breakout and uh, MSP. Now we tell, you can see breakout mark already this candle, and the candle event NFP event is come on the this specific area. You can see specific area, and this strap is not work. That is strap not working. You can see, but this order block trapping. You can see this order block not work because it's liquidate area. Now order block, you can see a imbalance and specific types of area order blocks. Now how do we now direction go to the highly when market volatile is very high and FP event effect this when this event come, I know the market structure going to up direction, so I analyzing a higher probability to the upside. We can now find in 50-minute time frame. um, you can see market structure break, and you see this the specific order block area can touch, and we take here from position, um, from 1 hour. You can confirm your position in 1 minute or five minute time frame. We confirm here in mm, one. You can see. Wait. So how to break and how to we take long position? You can see this breakout and uh, this unbalanced can imbalance candle taken, and this also breakout and imbalance candle. You can see. So we take position from three confirmation. This breakout and the second breakout, and we take here position for a long again position. So we taking a stop loss the last candle of breakout, and you can see how we profit order block NFP event. is one where then again you confirm how to it to working. So let's go on 15-minute chart. uh, you can see clear, you can see a border block and imbalance taking how it works. Market structure is very powerful weapon. Heavily many institutional are using this. So here breakout market, and this in a 1 minute time frame you can see the candle taken and go to the down, but actually not, because you can see this is taken, so we do not take trade here. We have to clear chart and clear breakout of the market. So here breakout, yeah, and we find the imbalance of this area, and here in lower time frame 15 or 5 minute time frame here taking, um, again taking, and if again any volatile market high, uh, economy event, you can see imbalance source, yeah, imbalance source, and event effect. So let's see how it works. See, breakout in a 1 hour time frame is the best for to swing or intraday for 1 2 3 is 1 hour is the best mapping time frame. I heavily use like one day I find a breakout and come 4 hour I find breakout and imbalance position, and I come 1 hour time frame and analyze. Now again market breakout in 1 hour, you can 50 minute again you can taking here position. So you can see imbalance again taken come to the black candle, it mean down red candle, and, and we get candles stop loss where we set stop loss the imbalance candle last week. Okay, and we can see how it work. You can see imbalance source, nap event, imbalance source maximally, market follow overflow candles, market follow the overflow candles when the many events come, and you can see economic events how to affect on, then you can see how to affect uh, market economy. Mm, again market big breakout, and now position of market is currently position I think the upside. Yeah, I see the upside. So you can see how to so see how the market follow the big moves of market. uh, it mean imbalance source or order flow. It means a institutional as big order, market reverse to take this big order and continue his position. So uh, in a so how to it work, first I go to daily time frame and follow the breakout of market. It example, the market breakout upside, so I mapping the market upside and come in 4 hour time frame, and I mapping the structure and I see, you can I s- imbalance, and next time I trying to the low time frame candle and taken, you can see how to break market, and I come 1 hour time frame and I follow the break count of market upside maximum, I follow the upside. You can see market is to break SMB and NAP event come, and how I take a big order and I make many money from this idea.